Good evening, guys. Hope you're all doing well. Real quick, this week I surpassed the 500 subscribers, which was really cool. Because again, I don't know why you watch this, but to all you guys, thanks so much for your time. Today, quick video. I ordered two things off of Amazon. There's box number one, made in China. Goodness, there's box number two. I'm sure it's made in China as well. I didn't look. Yeah, of course it is. I got two things here, and one is to solve that problem. Kind of. I just have a lot of crap in here, but let's check it out. So, as I said, I have two packages. Let's open them up. This one, I think, goes in that side cubby, and it does. This is from JDM Car. My car is built in Canada, by the way. And this little piece is supposed to take the place of the mesh on the side there. Maybe help give some stability, rigidity to all that, and won't spill out. And this here, also from the JDM Car collection, is a little tray, like drawer for the front of the car up in the driver's compartment. So let's see if it's any good. I mean, did I waste the money? I think total I spent about $30 on these two pieces. So if it's a waste, well, it's only 30 bucks, but I think it's gonna work out. So here we have all this stuff. I keep all kinds of stuff. I always keep wood glue in here, one of those emergency blankets, extra dog leash, gold bond. Guys, you know what's up with that. A GoPro mount. I've got all kinds of stuff in here. Another emergency blanket. I don't need two emergency blankets. I've never needed one. Well, that's a FJ62 cruiser part there. You put that somewhere safe. All right, let's see. So I clip those two things. That comes out pretty easy. Does this go in as easy? Oh, another Toyota part there. Does it go in? It might be a little bit too big. Never heard that before, by the way. Yeah, I gotta say, it is not just snapping into place like I was assuming that it would. But it's from JDM Car. I mean, that's got to be a reputable manufacturer. No, it's not fitting. Get this out of the way. That's for my fan for my hockey gear. Sorry. Oh, that was a mistake. So those are in the right spot. I thought maybe there was some debris. Oh. No. This simply is not fitting. It's getting close, but no, it doesn't fit. JDM Car, JDM Car has lied to me, y'all. If I does, the 5th gen Rav4 owners, they are making products that do not work. So that's a bit of a bust. I was excited for this, just to give a nice divide there to put my stuff in, and that's a no-go. So let's take it to the front and see if the other piece is any better. I might mess with this a little bit more, but well, it says no. All right, let's go to the front. All right, up front, here's steering wheel just to get our orientation. Up front, there's a little cubby there, and on the Adventure models, it has that orange liner to it. The TRD is red, the normal is just black. And that little cubby, that little drawer is supposed to fit in there. And I'm not sure how. And I'm really not feeling good about it, considering how the little panel went in the back. But let's give it a shot. So I took my things out. I got my little drawer here. Nothing on the back of it. Like, nothing, you can't see that. Sorry, nothing on the back, nothing on the sides, really. I think it just slides in. It does. Okay, so I push it in, put a little bit of pressure, it starts to come out. I mean, just kind of goes there. And then comes out. Now, my thought was that this was going to be something that would be more attached, like slide out, and kind of, you know, be able to support itself. And this is not going to do that. And honestly, I would say this is a piece that, by having this, you actually just introduce more stuff to mess with. So now, if I put that in, and let's just use my wallet up here. Here's my nice little wallet there. If I put a little bit, it'll hold there. Oh, about fell. So to get to my wallet, I'd have to pull this thing all the way out, or most of the way out, and hope I don't knock it out of place where it would... I gotta tell you, simply just put my stuff in the cubby. I've never had an issue with it coming out. It's never slid out on me. It's easy to access. I'd say this is another bust for Amazon for the cheap goods. So I had some little rubberized rubber piece there. I gotta say this is a bust. Again, it's like, you know, 12, 15 bucks. I would not recommend it to other RAV4 owners. I think this is another bad product. I gotta say, the first piece in the back, it was really close, and I actually, off camera, I gave it a couple good whacks, hoping maybe it would just pop in just enough, and it did not. So I'm kind of wondering if maybe it's just a bad one, or they're all bad. I don't know. 30 bucks. I think it's time to send that one back to Amazon. I mean, the one in the back absolutely does not fit. This one, I can say this, maybe I just keep it, give it away to somebody, you know, maybe they want to try it. I just don't like that. The one in the back simply does not work, is defective. So I think that's got to go back to Amazon. Anyway, well, there you go. There's some RAV4, some cheap things you can buy for your RAV4 that I would not recommend you buy for your RAV4. Yeah. Cheers, guys. Take care. Thanks for the support.